Villegas fires three. Villegas again. Bang, 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 three. 4-1, Taya bouncing it to Gabriel. Yes. 10-7. Villegas. Nice break. Man, that's three again. That's Villegas. Tapat from downtown. Three. Baguio. Alis Cabrera. Yes. Ang layo. Villegas. Bang, bang, bang. Three. Big opportunity. Tina ka na si Villegas. Tapat creating space. Villegas will attack. Ayun na. Una pa sa. What a nice move by Villegas. Dancing with Baguio pushing the ladder. Out of bounds. Swan. They will take this fast break. Baguio dancing. Yes. 15 sayang yun. Nako. Dalawa sa kabila. Ito Tayaw. 3 against 1. Tayaw. Drops it back to Gabriel. Carlos. Bang, bang, bang. 3. Tayaw. Advancing. Masyado yung pasa. Back to Gabriel. Yes. Villegas. Comes away. 3. Tapat. Pops it. Yes. Nice attack by Tapat. Pangaliban. Good. Ayan, short. Alam niya kung saan pupunta. Yes, that's the guy. Ayun. Sumayaw. Pass to Pilipinas. Wala. Carlos to Tayaw. Tayaw. Up, up, and away. Timeout. Clock still on. Esteban you fire. Carlos. Esteban. Yes. Villegas to Esteban. Yes. To Carlos. Trailing. Nice ball. Villegas. Ang layo ng pagkaka-fade away naman yan. 2 against 1. Ayun. Dinaanan yung depensa. Baguio crossing to Aquino. He will take the shot. Yes, he gets it. Lalagpasan si Tapat to Carlos. Carlos. Tapat. Nice pass to Esteban. Di ba? Basic lang pero Villegas. To Tapat. Open shot. Using the quick hand. Yes. To the open Aquino. Ang ganda na seta. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Pangaliban. 3.7. No, too strong. Villegas now. He will advance. 1-1 against Baguio. Ayun. Para mga phone lang dinaanan yung mga defenders. Aquino. Baguio. Aquino. One more try. Yes, on the glass. Lead. Ihiwalay. Sa bandang late ng third quarter. Bounce. Hausen. Yes. Ito na. Villegas against Hausen. Able scooping. Isa lang si Carlos sa depensa. Foul. Basket will count. No. Balik sa kanya. Villegas. Online. Bang, bang.